What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? I'm back with another video. Got something special for y'all at my cousin's house, man. He got a couple projects that he's working on. Got a lot of cars out here. Stay tuned. Check us out. Yeah. Rocket City, check what we got. 1994 Impala SS. What up, cuz?
What's good, fam? What's good?
Yeah.
It's Mr. Black Box, you know, Mr. Black Box, YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Hit my notification bell, but also hit cuz notification bell also.
Yes.
Ooh, this is a lot of work.
So walk us down. How'd you acquire this thing?
I got lucky, man. Picking up pizza for the kids, man. I found an Impala SS at a title pawn place. I found this car back in September, but I never could get any words back on what they wanted for the car. The lady told me put in a bid, and I'm like, I don't know how to do that. But anyway, the car sat there for months, and picking up pizza another day, I'm like, the car's still there. So I just called. I said, look, what do you want for the car? Just tell me the price you want. And she told me what she wanted. So I was like, let's do it. It's an Impala SS. You can't lose, even if it doesn't run.
So how much did you get this car for?
I got this car for $1,500.
$1,500, y'all. Did y'all hear that? $1,500. And what is there anything wrong with it?
So when I got the car, it didn't have a key for the ignition switch. But just so happened, I ended up knowing a guy that is in one of the local car clubs that knows the guy who once had this car. He got in contact with him, and the guy said, I actually have a key for it. So he brought me the key for it actually last night.
That's dope. Let me take some interior shots for y'all, because you guys know this is one of my final boss cars, man. It's gonna be like both of ours.
It could be both of ours, but we just keep it at my house.
Shout out to Friday. Shout out to Red from Friday. Man,
you know, man, Pop's tripping about the beach season, man. Small bite, pump.
Hey, so cuz, what color are you thinking about painting it?
Oh man, she going back black, man. Original, I got to go back with that Impala Chevy black, and these Silverado wheels got to come off of here, man.
Yeah.
So it's going to actually get a set of 22, either 22 or 24 inch Impala replicas. So I've actually located the wheels already, located seats or the seat covers if I don't sew my own.
Yeah, and the interior doesn't look irreparable. It looks like it's really in decent shape.
Yeah, for the most part. Look like Edward Scissorhands played around in the back seat. Yeah. Look like Respucia sat in the front seat. Somebody definitely was a smoker, because you got all kinds of Swisher residue. And we know what that probably meant, but we ain't gonna talk about that. I actually am getting the original steering column, because somebody swapped the column.
Yep.
So I'm gonna get that, take care of it, and put it back in here. And the gauge cluster, I got a question for you, cuz. You think I should leave the stock cluster in here, or you think I should swap it out?
Yeah, let's swap it out. We'll swap it out.
We're gonna swap that out.
So y'all see what he's working with. I mean, now, these things are getting rarer and rarer, especially the 94s. The 94s.
8,000, I want to say it was 8,609 built in 94.
Wow. But the most popular one is the one with the gear shifter, the floor shifter, I should say, the 96.
Right. So if you wanted to clone a 94 into a 96, man, there's so much. Well, it's not so much, but if you want to change or clone a 94 into a 96, one thing that is different on a 94 through 94 has this little triangular piece.
Yep.
95, 96 was in the quarter panel. It was metal. So the reason why they did that was because the 94 Caprice still had a triangular shaped window, but for the Impala they put this little special window on here. Also, 94 versus 95, 96, 94, the mirrors are on the pedestal. So you got the mirror down here. 95, 96, the mirror's here, and it's more like your your modern cars, kind of like what you see on like that Acura over there.
Mm-hmm.
So you'd have to change the mirrors, you'd have to change that triangular piece, and then also on a 96, you had the shifter in the floor, and you didn't have a digi dash, so you'd have to cone or you'd have to change all that. So, but at the end of the day, you still have a 94 title. So
Yeah, yeah,
you know,
yeah. Now does your title, does it say Caprice or does it say Impala?
man, I was impressed because the title actually says Impala SS. It does not say Caprice, so it is a real. This is a real Impala. She is not a Capala. You know, this ain't one of them that the boys used to take the 9C1X cop cars and clone them into Impalas. You know, do all the little bolt-on stuff. It is a real deal, true 94 Impala SS, and you can tell it was black because that's the original paint.
Yep.
Now, y'all excuse all these wires. I did not do that, but I'm taking all this stuff out of here. All this getting yanked out. I just want to hear this thing run first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're definitely working on that. Man, so as I was telling the subscribers before, the viewers, that you got a lot of stuff going on back here, man. One that I really like is that hearse, but I know it's kind of hard to see, but that thing is a beast.
That's my baby, man.
Yeah, yeah. and I was asking you about the Escalade up there.
Yeah, the EXT. That's the little all-wheel drive hot rod. Right
Okay, okay. Of course, we got the new wheels on this one, brand new.
So we had to go with some Platinum Edition replicas, 26-inch Platinum Edition reps.
Nice, nice, nice.
Just for a nice little smooth look.
Yes, yes, yes.
Smooth ride. And matter of fact, some of these are possibly going to go on this one. Since somebody, I won't mention who, managed to get these scratched up. It's a little dirty on the inside, but right now it's a work in progress.
I love the diamond stitching. That's dope. That's dope.
So soon the whole interior in this truck will be black. Everything will be black. Steering wheel will be black. Column will be black. Dash is getting fiberglass, and when the truck is painted, the dash and center console will be painted to match the outside of the truck. I forgot to tell you about that.
Okay.
I'm doing the fiberglass work myself. I'm doing all the interior work, minus the seats. My little brother did the seats. While he was doing the seats, he had it so long it made me actually go buy my own sewing machine so I can start doing seats, because I know how to do them. I have to find the time. Door panels are getting replaced. Got new door panels that are black. But also while doing those, might actually take these and fiberglass them. She wants the fiberglass and do multiple 6.5s with 2 tweeters. It currently has a component set in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a DS18 crossover, DS18 speaker, and then there's a DS18 tweeter right here. So the factory Bose system it's gone.
You mind starting her up for us?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let it idle.
Walk around, and then I'm gonna show y'all the engine bay.
So if you actually go to Mr. Black Box on YouTube, one of my first videos, I want to say it might be my second or third video, was me doing the install on this cold air intake. It's a little dusty. The truck's set up for a year, and we got it back and hadn't really had time to fool with it. So it's actually kind of been being used as a shop truck or the backup vehicle, because I kind of grenaded the transmission in that one like twice within a month. So
Shut it down real quick.
okay.
Yep. Getting kind of windy out here. We're about to have a storm.
Yes.
Definitely, man.
Music off. I ain't trying to get some copyright struck.
Yeah, yeah. So do you have anything for sale right now?
Currently, I do not. Don't have anything for sale, but got too much stuff to build. Got too much stuff to build right now. Got a bike in the works, this truck in the works.
Oh, we got the bike. We gotta check out the bike.
Yeah, we gotta check out the bike. The bike is, you know, I say the bike ain't nothing fancy, but some people will probably ask, like, what's going on with the bike? So, nothing for sale, but just a whole lot of stuff being worked on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, the bike. I'm not a bike guy, but this thing is nasty.
Yeah, you can't really help but be a bike guy once you actually realize what's going on with the bike.
Yeah. Oh, you got, see, that's one of them.
This is one of them. I've always wanted a Gixxer 750. I call them alien heads because they had that little, you know, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie to me.
It does. It does.
This bike right now is kind of like on ice. I'm not doing anything to it, but when I actually get started with it, I'll just ask you this: have y'all ever heard of a '97 Gixxer 750 with a 2005 Gixxer 1000 motor in it? Oh, and it's gonna have Gixxer 750 plastics on it. It's gonna be a sleeper bike.
That's what's up.
But this bike, most people, the first thing people see is this right here, the nitrous bottle. But that's just insurance, because that's not where all the power is coming from. The real power is coming from what's right here. So it's a turbocharged 05 Suzuki Hayabusa with a air ride system on it, RC component wheels. I actually rode this bike to college. It wasn't turbocharged at the time. It had a nitrous on it, but it wasn't turbocharged. Actually, I turbocharged it when I was in grad school. Yeah, I turbocharged it my first year of grad school. So I guess I lied. It was turbo while I was in college.
Yeah, it's a beauty.
And it's also got an air ride system on it. So, you know, I'm a big dude, you know. I'm a big boy, you know, I gotta have that comfort, man.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So I want a Harley. I'm gonna get me a Harley eventually, but I gotta finish some projects first. I gotta get more. I have my plastics for this. My plastics are in the garage somewhere in this organized chaos. The reason why the plastics are not on is because I have not had the exhaust redone on the bike yet. So the exhaust dumps straight out the turbo, and it would dump right into the side of the fairings, which would melt the fairings. So I just have not put them back on. So not only that, but my fairings got a crack. So I'm actually gonna buy a new set of fairings, have the exhaust rerouted, and when you see it this coming summer, it'll actually have the twin Yoshimura mufflers back on it, so you don't see the turbo. I was trying to actually hide it so nobody would know it was turbocharged, but it sounds like a jet going down the road either way it goes. So
it's very nice, very nice. Again, shout out your YouTube so they can follow you.
Mr. Black Box. That is MrBlackBox.
And I'll have that in the description box as well.
Yes.
There you have it, folks. The Rocket City Classic Car channel. We are expanding to bikes.
We're going into bikes. We're going into bag trucks. I mean, we got a bag truck in the garage. It's rough. I mean, it's a lot going on.
Yeah.
It's organized, unorganized chaos.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out.